The product comes pre-assembled, so you only need to connect the blue hose to the blowgun and to the fitting on the tank. First, make sure that all valves are closed. In this initial phase, the tank must be filled with the cleaning fluid used in the washing basin. To begin, open the main valve located underneath the basin, take the cleaning fluid, and start filling the tank. The tank should be filled to more than half of its capacity or up to the desired level. Once this is done, close the main valve under the basin, then connect the compressed air supply. When all the valves are closed, connect the compressed air to the quick coupling, then open the main air valve to allow the compressed air to enter. Use the pressure regulator to adjust the internal pressure of the tank from 0 to 0.5 bars. The 0.5 bars pressure valve will limit the tank's internal pressure. Attention! The compressed air must always remain connected to the device. Now the device is ready for use. Make sure that all valves are closed, except for the compressed air inlet valve. Open slowly the lever on the brush valve. Make sure that the other valve is also open. Use the brush to clean the part. Once finished, close the valve that was opened previously. Another cleaning method can be performed using the spray gun and compressed air. Before starting, make sure that all valves are closed except for the compressed air inlet valve. Then you can use the spray gun to clean the component. A third method for cleaning components is rising flow. After placing the part inside the basin, close the cover and, with the compressed air still connected, open the main valve located under the basin. This will allow the detergent to flow out of the tank and wash the component inside. The cover prevents splashes from escaping the washing basin. When the cleaning process is complete, close the main valve and check the cleanliness of the washed part. When the detergent becomes dirty and full of impurities, it must be replaced. To do this, disconnect the device from the pneumatic supply. Then close the compressed air inlet valve and disconnect the compressed air line. Make sure that the brush valve is closed. Open the valve located under the basin. This will allow the liquid to drain into the tank. To speed up the operation and completely remove the residual air from the tank, open the vent valve located near the pressure regulator. By opening it, the air inside the tank will escape, allowing the liquid to drain faster from the basin. To completely empty the device, open the valve located at the base of the tank. This will allow all the liquid inside the tank to drain quickly.